Hey guys, happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. Today I want to talk about why Influenster sucks a little bit. And the main reason is freaking virtual Vox boxes. So if you've never heard of Influenster before, it's basically this website that's like, hey, we will send you full size and sample size products to try if you provide us with a review and also like share this product, share that we've sent you this thing. I think is a great premise. Like, yeah, you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. I would love to give an honest review in exchange for trying out a bunch of free products. Sign me up. That's like what I live for. And I've been pretty lucky with Vox boxes. If you check some of my past videos, I would say I've probably gotten like 10 or 15 between ChickAdvisor, which is like the Canadian equivalent of Influenster, and Influencer itself. Here's the trouble though. A few months ago, I got an email from Influencer inviting me to participate in a virtual Vox box. And I was like, what the heck is a virtual Vox box? And they say, what is a virtual Vox box? It's a fun way for you to stay involved and participate in influencer campaigns even if you aren't part of a Vox box. From time to time, brands will want to hear from you or see your creativity with a product without sending the product out. What? They want to spread the love however they can, and we want you to have opportunity to win some rewards. With a virtual Vox, you are given chances to win prizes from amazing brands by doing fun activities such as going into stores to spot, purchase, and test the products. What, are people that desperate to get a Vox box that they will go out and buy these products? And if so, like, shame on you. You should be buying them because you want to buy them and not because companies are like tricking you into like going out and purchasing these items. Oh my god, it makes my blood boil. Now, there is one redeeming factor. When you get sent a Vox box, you are basically obligated to do the activities, or at least a certain number of activities. So if they send you, let's say, a dry shampoo, if you want to keep receiving Vox boxes, you must post a review, you must share it on Instagram, whatever the activities are. So at least for virtual Vox boxes, they will ask you to complete a few fun activities like taking a photo in store to reviewing a product on influencer.com. You may even have to pick up the product in store to participate. It says right on the website to earn a badge, although it does say in brackets, this is never mandatory. But they're straight up not playing games. They're just saying, like, you might, if you want to participate in this virtual Vox box that gives you nothing except for a chance to win something, then you might have to buy some products. I mean, they also add some other things, like, we realize this is going above and beyond, so brands have amazing prizes up for grabs for top badge holders. You also get some serious street cred for having this meaningless badge on your profile, like internet points. We only invite top influencers to participate in a virtual Vox, which I think we can all pretty much agree is bullshit. I've seen lots of complaints online that people have never gotten a physical box, that they've only gotten virtual Vox box invitations, so you tell me how that works. They also say the brands that we work with and Team Influencer loves the honest and enthusiastic feedback of our community. We also love to reward you for going out of your way to tell us what you think. Unless that means sending you a product, I guess. Okay, so here are my gripes with the virtual Vox system and why I really encourage everybody to take a stand against these boxes. First of all, you get nothing from this. You don't get, a $5 sample. You don't get like a coupon code for a $10. You don't get anything, and yet they still expect you to write so many words in the review. And also to like take the time to like go take some photos of the products, share it around, spread it. Basically, you're doing free advertising. The least they could do is send you the freaking product. They don't need to send a big fancy box or anything. Just send me a coupon for the product so that I'm not spending money on top of time, creativity, the equipment it takes me to like do all this work. We're basically doing work. So that we have a chance to win a prize. I mean, if you haven't got a Vox box physically, what are the chances that you're ever going to win a prize? I'm pretty sure they're pretty slim chances. In some cases, you do have to actually purchase the product, which just goes against the whole, like, reason of being, like, raison d'etre of these websites. Like, the whole point of people signing up to these websites is to get free makeup. So why are you making the people go out and buy their own makeup when they just really want free makeup? That's the thing. They're willing to do the work for free makeup, but, like, take the free makeup out of the equation and what's the point? Okay, here's another thing. If you were always the type of person that was like, I don't know, it kind of seems like a bribe. Like, you send people free products and they are encouraged to write honest reviews, but they can write whatever they like. So who's to say they even tried the product? They just, like, write a review, whatever. That's, like, maybe even on a third-party site. Like, that's kind of sketchy. And, like, we're in a world where fake reviews are a huge thing. I mean, maybe, but at least in that case, the brand can say, hey, we did due diligence on our part. We got the person receiving the box to agree to write an honest review, to try out the product, do blah, blah, blah. Like, okay, there was a contract. Both parties agreed that this would happen. So, I mean, I'm okay with that. The problem now is there's no agreement. People are desperate to get these, like, physical free makeup boxes. So, of course, they're going to write fake bullshit reviews of products that they haven't actually bought, because why would they buy them anyway? I think it's going to create more outright fake reviews. Take a picture of the bottle of the dry shampoo in the store, and then take a picture with your hair refreshed after you use the dry shampoo. Like, okay, it's one thing to, like, go to the store and take a picture of it in the store and then not purchase it, go home, do your hair, and, like, be like, oh, I totally used that dry shampoo. I mean, you know people are going to be doing this. Like, I don't know, it's just super problematic to me. Is it just me? Is that kind of obvious to everybody? I don't know. I just feel like it's really taking advantage of people that want actual physical Vox boxes to encourage them to participate in these fake virtual Vox boxes. Kind of exploitative. Like, maybe if I do a bunch of these virtual Vox boxes, they will actually send me an actual Vox box. And I guess my last slightly unrelated but also kind of related gripe is that they're really app-centric. So, like, Influenster is a website to me. But now to participate in some of these virtual Vox boxes, you need to, like, download the app and do all this crap. And it verifies through the app and blah, blah, blah. You see the badges through the app. Like, I don't want that shit on my phone. Like, screw off. Leave me alone. Give me my privacy. I'll do it through the browser if you really want me to participate. But yeah, screw you, Influencer. I hate your freaking app. I don't like these virtual Vox boxes. I feel like you're taking advantage of people. And you really should just go back to the good old days where people would just wait and hope that they got an actual box of makeup or skincare, whatever, to test out and then to write a review after they agreed that that's what they're going to do. What do you guys think? Am I too worked up about this? I feel like this could be, like, a huge problem. I just feel like it's kind of predatory for hopeful Voxbox participants. Anyway, that's my huge rant about Influenster. A couple of you actually sent me friend invites lately to connect with me on Influenster. I'll have my link down below if you want to, like, reach out and become my friend. But I'm just warning you, do your research about these virtual Vox boxes. Don't spend money on them unless you happen to already own the product or something, or, like, it was maybe something that you were planning on trying anyway. Don't be swayed by this, like, manipulative bullshit. And hopefully you get an actual box sent to you by these huge companies that can easily afford to send you these products to test and review in exchange for an honest review. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you join me again on Wednesday's video where I test out some more makeup on my own, product reviews that I do for my own pleasure, completely honestly, with no one staring down at me, with deadlines, dates, criteria for my review, anything. They're completely independent, Patreon funded. If you want to help me out, make sure you check out my Patreon and help this channel for as little as $2 a month. And with that, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye for now.